are. Cold wind blowing out of the north in June. So we thought we'd bring out the Russian yak. It's a warm summer day in Leningrad. Moves pretty quick downwind.
Slow if you want, coming at you. You gonna get it?
Uh-huh.
And then you can do a slow here coming in from the highlands once I get set up.
I think that one might turn out pretty well.
Coming into a dirty.
Okay.
It's gonna come around head on at you, and then alright, with this wind I think I'm gonna go low flat there.
Okay.
Or maybe just take off flat. Well, that was a really short rollout.
Into the wind.
I think I had some takeoff, or yeah, takeoff flaps is all I had. Since it's right down the runway, maybe I'll try landing flaps this time.
All right.
But that was I was using a lot of throttle on that one just to keep the speed right.